Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Reddit and you click here. In this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Sorry. When we click on first stop, then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your